Hello everyone! Today's tutorial is on creating an engaging memory mate football composite for the whole team in a matter of minutes. First, let's click on the composite project icon and naming our project. After naming it, hit Create. Then, specify your sport composite page size, taking into account the safe area and bleed margins, and proceed by clicking on the Index tab. Next, we import our PSPA file, typically provided by Photographer. Memento Composite efficiently processes standard PSPA files and those with numerous custom attributes. Let's examine our index file, formatted in Excel. In addition to the standard PSPA properties, we have included custom properties such as team name, player number, coach's name, and player position. You can have as many custom properties as there is no limit. Returning to Memento Composite, select Import, then Import Index File, pick your PSPA index file, and click Open. This process brings in all player data, including their photos. For demonstration, we're using cartoon photos with complete transparency. Any portrait can be edited or updated with a photo. Let's proceed to the editor. In the editor, start by adding a composite frame. Then, adjust its size to roughly match the main player size you're aiming for. We'll fine-tune this adjustment later on. Name the composite frame to Player and configure its query to include Type, Sport, and IntelliFlow, enabling it to create a unique composite for each player. In the Portrait Template section, you can choose from several pre-made sports templates or use a custom one. I'll demonstrate with a custom template I created for this video. Drag and drop a background, then blur it slightly, adjust the brightness, and lower the opacity. Next, I'll add a tag text frame. In the tag text generator, I'll click Add Tags and choose Team Names and Player from the Tag Source dropdown, ensuring dynamic team names. I'll then modify the font color, type size, and add a contour for a more dramatic text effect. Now, let's make two different memory mates, depending on available assets. Starting with a team photo that I drag and drop, I'll apply a mask to it for better integration with the background. Once satisfied with the design, I'll click Generate Composite. And there you go, 26 beautiful memory mates created quickly. You can create another memory mate style if you don't have a group photo. First, remove the group photo. Then, add a composite frame and name it Group. Choose Sport All in the query type to see all players. To exclude the highlighted player from the group composite, click on the player composite frame, then exclude Portrait from Composite, and select Group. Every time you render a composite, the highlighted players will be excluded from the group composite. You can use the same portrait template as your leading player, but I'll select a different one for this demonstration. Remember, you can always create a new one. I am now optimizing the arrangement of the players in the scene by clicking on Maximize. Next, I will add a mask to the central player to enhance the blending and create a more harmonious visual effect. Once you are happy with your portrait selection, click Generate Composite Set. And there you have it, a different type of memory mate created in minutes. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Once you're finished, click on Finalize and select the export options that best suit your workflow.